Hi, welcome to Zgadgetreview. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. And that is because LG Mobile is in the news again, and this time because the writing is on the wall. All right. So we've been talking about LG Mobile announcing they were probably going to get out of the mobile business. They were announcements that they were going to launch the rollable phone. Then the announcements came out that they were canceling the rollable phone. Somebody at LG came out and said, "We haven't confirmed anything. We are still very much in the business." All these statements that they have made about their business maybe staying alive, as of this point right now, I will say they are completely and total BS. And the reason is because there was a phone codenamed Rainbow that was slated to come out in March. What month are we on right now? March. This phone was supposed to be field tested during February. What month just passed? February. None of those things happened. LG did not field test the phone. LG hasn't talked about the phone. Therefore, said phone probably isn't coming out at all. This comes from Phone Arena. A source familiar with the situation told South Korean outlet Chosun that LG and its partnering carriers decided not to proceed with scheduled field testing of the LG Rainbow in late February. So LG talked to its partners and said, "Hey, guess what? You know that phone that we talked about last year, because they talked about this phone in 2020? We are not going to field test it because we don't really know what we're going to do with our mobile business yet, and throwing more money into something that might not sell doesn't sound like a wise decision at this moment, especially with the pandemic and everything that's going on." Now, if you never heard of this phone, makes sense. It's a phone that they kind of talked about, but it wasn't really anything in paper. The rumors for this phone were that it's supposed to be the successor to the LG V60, and it was supposed to have a Snapdragon 888 chipset. It was also supposed to have a stylus. And the reason why this phone was going to be pretty much a top-of-the-line phone, discounting the, of course, LG Rollable, was that it was supposed to take the place that the Samsung Note was leaving behind. This phone was supposed to come in and pick up all those people who were desirous of a phone with a pen. That's not going to happen anymore, according to these reports, which means to me that LG is pretty much done. All right, we have news of them canceling phones left and right now. It is time, I think, for LG to come out and say, "Hey, you know what? We are done making phones. We don't make any money making them. You people won't want to buy our cell phones, even though we put so much effort and money into it. Goodbye." A statement is what I'm trying to say that they need to make. Now, maybe some people will be very happy that LG is leaving the business. I don't understand why that will be the case. Because if you really think about it, LG really has been making strides in making weird phones, right? Every single phone that they made for the last 5 or 6 years has always had like a little gimmick thrown there that has either been adopted by other brands, or it just kind of died down and the next phone didn't have it, and so it was done and gone forever. Having the guts to go to put money into a device that probably people won't buy. I mean, no one bought those phones, otherwise they will exist. It's good because it's good for the industry, so you have something different, so it's always driving innovation, so it's always driving experimentation as well, because it's good to experiment with devices. I think the problem with LG was always that they couldn't market the phone the way they should have. They always focused on a small portion of the market with their phones, and they always targeted a specific segment of the population instead of targeting everybody. And to me, that was the biggest issue with LG Mobile, their marketing, not being able to market a phone to everyone. RIP LG Mobile, it was good to know you. With this latest development with LG phones, what do you think? Do you think that LG is completely done and they should come out and make an announcement on what's going to happen with the LG Mobile division? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for me. Go ahead and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. And thank you very much for watching.